call it a day. Economical, guys.
Open the shower door.
Oh God,
I haven't even opened the shower.
Oh God. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys don't know what's happening here, we bought this property about 45 days ago, and let's run the clips backwards real quick.
I would have pretty much the end of the line right here. Might be infestation.
Some mouse.
Yeah, there's mice in here.
So we ended up buying this house. We gave the seller 45 days to take whatever he wanted out of the property, and that 45 days is up. He took everything he needed. We had our crew come in and they dumped literally everything in the house. And in 2 days, 9 loads or 10 loads later, a lot of loads of garbage. I mean, trucks full, 30 yards. But let's take you guys inside. Let's go over what it looks like right now, what we're gonna do to the property, how much is estimated to cost. Let's go.
Let's
Ray?
go. Now we're evaluating.
Ricky.
Come to Project Gateway. There's still some hazards on the floor.
So if you guys remember last time, we walked through the property and we literally had, the owner had made a pathway for us, and it was literally like this, right? And then he had an L shape here, and there was literally rat dropping everywhere. We ripped up the carpet to get rid of that smell, because that smell was hazardous. And it exposed these original hardwood floors. We're gonna refinish the hardwood floors throughout the whole house. Yep. We're gonna scrape the popcorn. We already got a quote to scrape the popcorn, demo the kitchen, cut all the trees around the perimeter and the property, demo the downstairs.
Yeah, tile down.
Originally he wanted $6,500, but you know I had to hit him with the, is that the best you can do? And I just went quiet. Without even trying, within 10 seconds, he dropped another 500 bucks. We just saved 500 bucks. We just saved 500 bucks. Let's talk about right here. The brick is gorgeous. And the color is amazing to where I don't think we're even gonna paint it. Here, we're gonna add recessed lighting. I'm thinking about 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go into the kitchen. We're gonna demo this kitchen, right? But leave everything where it is. The fridge stays here, the dishwasher stays here, the sink stays here, the stove, new tile, 4 recessed lighting here. That's it.
Yeah.
$15,000, $20,000 job.
Do shelving instead of top cabinets possibly. Save some money.
We're gonna put 4 recessed lighting down this way.
So for this bathroom, this is the second bathroom. The master's in there. We'll try to just save the tile. It looks like it's in pretty good condition. We just need to reglaze it white. The tub looks pretty good from here.
Yep, reglaze that too.
Switch out the toilet because that thing is disgusting. Get the mirror in, get a new light fixture, get a nice tub shower door.
I think realistically, reglazing $2,500 to $3,000, new vanity about $500, a new toilet $200, a new mirror from Amazon $100, right? Even $40 if we don't want like an electrical. So
less than $5 grand.
Yeah, like a full bathroom remodel might hit you for 10 to 15,000. We'll do this thing for like 5. Economical.
Look amazing.
We're gonna change every single window in this property. They move. They work pretty good.
Same closet doors, you know, recessed lighting, remove popcorn ceiling, new windows so that we can actually open them because they're like rusted shut.
So here's the cool thing, right? Like, we don't plan to sell this property. Or at least not in the near future. So we're gonna keep a lot of these records.
In here, but
Got some Barry Manilow. Buy nicer shelves, and you know, when we Airbnb this thing or we rent this thing, just kind of like have it around. I think we could really decorate this place super nice. We even kept the Yamaha piano. and this sick old school radio. I gotta see if this thing works, because if it does, we're gonna be bumping music, boys. The cool thing about this house is that it actually has a master. Sometimes these older homes, it's just rooms and the bathrooms are separate. 4 recessed lighting, new windows to really let in a lot of new light. Bathroom is the only thing I'm thinking, new vanity. Everything else, reglaze, clean up, call it a day. Economical, guys.
Open the shower door.
God. Oh God, the
I
toilet.
I haven't even looked inside.
Oh God. Oh yeah, they cleaned everything out. Oh God.
It's not bad.
My grout guy, he's gonna take care of all this stuff. Let's rock and roll. It's my property, and I'm gonna put my sons where I want them. All right, let's talk about the exterior, because this is how you're gonna save money. So all the trees are terrible. We're gonna cut them all down. Landscaping, keep it simple. Water the grass, let it grow back. Only 2 out of the 4 side of the home is jacked up. So this side and the one where the garage sits, the stucco is kind of cracking. So that's where we're gonna do a lot of the repairs. The backyard and the side, they're like immaculate. So we're gonna leave that alone. The only thing with this siding is probably rip it off, replace any dry rot, and then put it back with like the slates. Like, I don't know, I'll show you like a picture later where it's like every 18 inches we'll put like a little wood down. It'll make it modern. Probably paint the house white, go with a white and black theme.
It'll look like a modern farmhouse. Guys.
Damn right, modern farmhouse on Gateway. Let's rock and roll, guys. Until next time, we'll show you guys the progress.